Tom Lombardo here with Germain Toyota of Columbus.
Today we'll be showing you a customized Tundra that not only looks great, but also has enhanced capability in off-road situations. We took a basic 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 and customized it with a 4-inch rough country lift with red 22-inch wheels and mud tires. The interior has also been outfitted with black leather and red contrast stitching for a luxury feel.
The Ready Lift and the wheels and tires that have been added to this vehicle are going to give you a little bit more ground clearance as well as a little bit better grip in those off-road situations.
We also have added power running boards for ease of entry and fender flares for a more aggressive look.
This Tundra has the 5.7 liter V8 with 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque. That's going to give the vehicle plenty of towing capability, even with the vehicle set up the way that it is.
If you are interested in this Tundra or would like to see how we can customize your Toyota, please give us a call, 614-868-0300. Thank you and have a great day.